Welcome to Fashion Trends. Subscribe to our feed for innocent videos from our channel friends. And remember to click the bell icon to see more interesting videos from our channel. Hello beautiful girls, welcome back to Fashion Trends, and today in our video we are going to be seeing about beautiful bridal mask design trends. So today I'm going to be talking about what are the beautiful colors they include in these beautiful masks, and I'm also going to be talking about what are the beautiful workings and the designs to include. So with that in a minute, let's go to this cool video. But before you remember to like to our channel and also remember to like to our videos friends. So friends, talking about what are the beautiful and the awesome colors to use, you can try going on with the contrast color of your bridal dress or wedding dress, or you can try going on with the same color too. You can try going on with almost bright colors such as beautiful red, yellow, green, blue, as some people love white colored masks, which also looks so good. Talking about what are the designs to include, you can try going on with awesome designs of floral designs friends. You can try including beautiful and awesome other designs or different patterns too. You can even try including beautiful elephants, peacocks, and a lot of designs like these. So friends, talking about what are the beautiful workings to include your beautiful wedding or bridal mask, you can try going on with awesome designs or awesome workings, mirror workings. So mirror workings look the coolest and they're absolutely awesome. So friends, you can also try including beautiful embroidery designs which look so awesome and so cute. So, hope you guys have really enjoyed this video guys. And if you have a video, then remember to like to our channel and also remember to like to our videos friends. So friends, you can purchase similar types of these beautiful and awesome face masks which are for wedding days by clicking the link below in the description box friends. And remember to follow our channel Fashion Trends. So, bye friends!